My name is S.K. Sharma from Kendriya Vidyalaya Legal. Now, my topic is lens formula for a convex lens. Lens formula for a convex lens. Now, you will see on the board, consider a convex lens of focal length f. AB is an object and A dash B dash is the image. Object is placed now in this case behind 2f and image will form between f and 2f. Object is at a distance u and image is at a distance v. Now in triangle OAB and OA dash B dash. Now perpendicular upon base of first triangle is equal to perpendicular upon base of second triangle. So perpendicular AB upon base OB is equal to A dash B dash upon OB dash. So rearrange this. AB upon A dash B dash is equal to OB upon OB dash. This is equation number first. And we can also take from the diagram in triangle F and O and triangle F A dash B dash. In these two triangles, we can again use ON perpendicular upon base, perpendicular upon base. So ON upon A dash B dash is equal to OF upon FB dash. But ON NO is also equal to AB. NO is equal to AB. So AB upon A dash B dash is equal to OF upon FB dash. Comparing equation first and in equation second. Now we compare, so left hand side are equal. See here, left hand side are equals. So right hand side will also be equal. So OB upon OB dash is equal to OF upon FB dash. Now we using sign conventions. OB, see in the diagram, OB minus U, left hand side. OB dash plus V, OF plus F and FB dash. FB dash means OB dash minus OF. OB dash V minus F. Now we put all these values in equation number 3. Minus U upon V is equal to F upon B minus F. Now we rearrange these equations. U into V minus F is equal to FV. Okay. Now we simplify. Minus UV plus UF is equal to FV. Divide on both sides by UVF. UVF, UVF, UVF. So here minus 1 upon F plus 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon U. So rearrange this. We can take 1 upon U here. So 1 upon V, this is 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F, and this is lens formula. This is lens formula. Now we apply magnification of lens. Magnification of a lens. What is magnification? M, size of image upon size of object. You can see here size of image. For example, this will be size of image A dash B dash and object AB. So you can say A dash B perpendicular upon perpendicular. You can see in the equation this perpendicular upon perpendicular is equal to base upon base. So here you can see in the first equation this will equal to OB upon OB dash, right? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now when we simplify this, we can find this is equal to V upon U. So this is the formula for magnification of a lens. Now we can give this formula in the form of focal length. For example, when now we use lens formula, 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. multiply this equation by v, v upon v minus v upon u is equals to v upon f. So 1 minus v upon u is equals to v upon f, and v upon u, what is v upon u? This is magnification, and v upon f, so what is the magnification? M is equals to 1 minus v upon f. So f minus v upon f. So you can simplify, you can also find this formula in the form of u. Okay, now thank you.